What do you think when the doctor says this disease is incurable? Or what happens when there is a sudden loss in a business or there's a breakup? Do you think that's the end of all? Or do you see there are possibilities of trying the other way? Hi, this is Vachhani. I invite you to join the workshop called Totality of Possibilities. Not a little bit, not few, but totality of possibilities. It's a beautiful workshop based on Louise Hay's philosophy. So it's a birthday on 8th October. And on this day, I dedicate to my mentor this beautiful workshop, Totality of Possibility, which will open up the doors for you in various fields. Wherever you feel stuck, there is no way, or there is only few options. No, there are plenty, and we will get universe work for us. So if you're interested, join in my WhatsApp group where I'll be sharing all the further details. Bye bye.